Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCam YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about the 70mai Cordless Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. In this video, I'll be focusing on the unboxing and also give a first impression. Do check out my 70mai Cordless Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner playlist to view all the future videos. You can view these videos by clicking on the eye icon on the top right side corner. As the video progresses, you will see more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. About the brand. 70mai is a Xiaomi sub-brand which focuses on car accessories like car dash cameras. If you're interested in this brand, then check out this playlist of mine. It is a collection of all Xiaomi products. Why did we choose to buy this product? We wanted to buy something that can be used quickly for cleaning the office table and keyboard, spot cleaning the sofa to remove cat fur, and also something that is cordless to clean our car interiors. Where did I buy it from? We bought this from a website called Amazon. Check the description box for the shopping link. Don't forget to check out my home space playlist. It is a collection of all home-related items. Cost and warranty of the product. Please do visit their site to read through them. Link is mentioned in the description box. Claims of the product. Please do visit their site to read through them. Link is mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in cleaning related products, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. Product packaging. This is how we receive the product from our seller. Contents inside the package. I would recommend first checking if all the products are accounted for. On page 21 of the manual, we found the packing list. The manual has no image to refer to, but since not many parts are there in this, you can guess what is being mentioned in the manual. We placed all the parts on our floor and counted them. A hard copy of the manual. The instructions also came in English and the diagram explains how to do all the assembly and charging. I'm sharing the photos of the manual. Please pause the video to view them. Brush head on one end and flat head on the other end. Another flat head, but this also has a longer reach. A USB-C which has B2C cable for charging the device. A cloth carry bag to place the device. This is the main gadget. It weighs 700 grams and it feels a bit heavy, but the weight distribution is pretty good. It is made of polycarbonate and as for the color, it is a black matte finish. The top has a curve, which is also the handle part. The power button is on the side. You press the same button to turn it off. And as for speed, it has only one operating speed. Just below the button are 3 LED lights, which are the battery indicators. The bottom part has a cylindrical cap covering the mouth of the vacuum. This also makes it easy to place or stand on any surface and prevents the dust from falling out. When you remove the cap, you will notice the mouth part of the vacuum. It also has a reusable plastic mesh along with the paper mesh. The vacuum has a HEPA filter which is on the inside of the body. Regarding the motor, it is 80 watts spooling around 32,000 RPM, which produces a very modest suction pressure of 5,000 Pascal. Next, I will hop on to the sound. It is mentioned as 65 decibels. The assembly. No assembly is required other than changing the handles. How does it look when it is fully set up? This is how it looks when it is fully assembled. Actually, this is how it was when you open it from the packaging. As I said, no assembly was needed. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. My first impression. The product looks and feels like a top quality buy. As I mentioned, this is best for small debris and quick cleanups that don't need much power. It is perfect for such cases. I can tell you more only after I have used it for a while. So drop by after a month to see the usage review. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!